So this year, Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, we've got this vehicle as one of the three highlighted vehicles from Adria. This is the Mercedes-Benz Coral Supreme 670 DC Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, 134,000 plus. It costs 769 long, 230 wide, 290 in height. Let's have a look inside. So we see up here, we've got a face-to-face look here. It's a very large table, and table of course can be increased in size should you so want. So it'd be looking like that. Let's turn around. Lovely kitchen, and there's a queen bed in the back. So let's go and see the queen bed first. Look, you can actually put the queen bed backwards like that. Gives you a bit more space to walk around. Incidentally, you can also raise it up or drop it down. The higher it goes up, then you get more stuff in the garage. The lower it goes down, easier it is to actually get into. Under the bed, you've got some storage, and as always with this type of layout, one side here and the other side there, you've got wardrobes, and above it more storage. Also comes with this lovely large skylight, and there's a window on either side as well. Up here, space for a television, and if you want a bit of privacy for whatever reason, you can close these solid doors. Mind you, there's a bit of a gap down there. There you go, see, I've lifted it up. Well, these things happen. I'll close this. You can see here what we've got here. Toilet. It's got one of these sinks. Looks, I think they're daft, but well, I think they're daft in a motorhome. I don't like them, but in a motorhome, I mean, look nice on somebody's house. I don't think a motorhome's really suitable. But anyway, that apart, some of you must like them because everybody's doing them these days. And you've got some storage in there for things that you might want to keep in the toilet. On the other side, we've got this really good shower. Look, it's got 2 drainage points. It's got a plate ledge to sit on. Well, obviously, I know the wheels under there, but it's nice to be able to have a place to sit down in the shower. And it's got a bar. It looks like a bit like a rain shower. It's got a really big head. Bear in mind, when you've got a shower that uses a lot of water, you're going to have to put water in more often. You're going to have to dump it more often. So do consider those facts. You can see that here the skylight's been opened, and let's keep the insects out. Mind, there probably isn't any insects in here. So here we've got this 3-burner range. We've got this oven, this Thetford oven, and obviously cabinets under the kitchen. Fridge is over here, Thetford. We've got a flat floor all the way back, all the way at the front, all the way. Isn't that that's really excellent in my opinion, and just the sort of thing that you might want, because it's got a double floor. It'll keep the motorhome warm in winter, and you've got the infrastructure such as the water tanks in the double floor, reducing the center. Lowering the center of gravity, making us for a smoother ride and more stability. You know what, I can't remember if I showed you the fridge. I might have showed you the fridge. You know, see, I've done so many videos, I just can't remember what I'm doing in what one, the Thetford fridge. Anyway, you might have seen that twice, so you've got the check that it was done. Got a place here to put your sandals. Might even get a pair of shoes in there as well, depending on how many of you there are. And there's also on that side a little cubby hole for shoes as well. And this one here is actually bigger. Can you see that? Oh, difficult. All right. Anyway, let's have a look at the I mentioned the bed will go up and down. So you can see here, this is where the bed is. It's at its lowest position at present. It will go up higher, and we can do that electronically. It happens via this. I bet it doesn't work. Oh, it does. Right, I can show it to you. Right, so we see it going up. And then we'll go inside and see what's happening. Oh, mightn't actually get in to see it because the gentleman is now closing it, but here, I just moved it up now. Oh, he's very kindly allowing me to go in, that's nice. So anyway, so you've seen it go up. Now we'll walk around and see how far it has gone up. There you go, much higher. It'll go up even a little bit further as well. But the advantage is you get all of this extra space in the garage when the bed goes up. And let's face it, it probably doesn't make much difference how high or low the bed it actually is. So there you go. Go up even a bit further. You can tell from around here, not much further, but there's, yeah, still an extra, oh no, it's about 15% extra. It'll go up. But anyway, it gives us enormous garage in here. There you go, Coral Supreme from Adria. Comes with a reversing light and reversing light, not what do you call it, reversing camera. Door has got a window in it. You've got a bin there to keep the dogs leading. You can also got a darkening screen here to obviously don't get a mosquito net in here because this window doesn't actually open. And there's somebody with a cough. And right, good. So that is one of the three demonstrated models from Adria. I'll show you the other two. I'll only show you from the outside. This one's supersonic. This one here, also on a Mercedes, and this one here comes at a cost of 166,000 euros. 780 centimeter long vehicle. This one's also supersonic, and this comes with a tag axle. It's 800, it's a 9-meter vehicle, 890 centimeters in length, and that's 176,000 euros. So these are the highlighted vehicles here at Caravan Salon from Adria. What Adria chose to highlight. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. So I upload every day at 21:15, and but for the moment, from me in Germany, all the best and bye for now.